Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. Today's video is my IPSY versus IPSY for July. Alright beauties, if you are unfamiliar with the OG IPSY Glam Bag, this is a $13 monthly beauty bag where you receive a small cosmetics bag and then 5 travel try me size items. Occasionally we do get some full size items and you get the choice of one item in your bag. I have my bag and my mother-in-law's bag and we like to put them head to head each month and see is IPSY actually listening to us. I'm going to go into my bag first and then I'll go into my mother-in-law's bag. She's so generous every single month to let me open her bag first. That is very kind. But my bag is, I'm very comfortable with makeup. I have light to medium skin, dark hair usually, and dark eyes. I want more skincare. Her bag is light skin, light eyes, light hair. She is semi-comfortable with makeup, but she wants mostly makeup. So we're gonna dive into my bag first. And this month's theme is The Great Escape. Pack your makeup bags because this month we've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color. Whether you're planning a summer vacation or a much-needed mental escape, all your must-haves will fit inside your new bag. And that is our little card. And usually, it actually does look like it has our information. Usually, it has your information about the products you get, but a lot of times they don't send that. My thing with that is, if you're going to send this, at least send me my information so I have an idea of the products inside. If not, save the paper and don't send it. I did also get some add-ons. I will show you guys at the end, and I got a free gift with my add-ons. So we have a refreshments bag. Not my favorite, but, you know, it is what it is. Alright. First up, I think a brush. Yes. This is the Toy Factory Blending Brush B9. That is what it looks like. I am not going to take this out because I did get some of these in a previous box, and in my honest opinion, they do not feel like very good quality. So I'll put this to the side. Next up is a Seraphine Botanicals Alma Nude Silky Nude eyeshadow palette. And we've gotten quite a bit of products from Seraphine Botanicals. They have a few lip products that I really, really love. They are cruelty-free and vegan. And it just looks like a cute little neutral quad. I definitely do not need this either. And my sole premise in getting my IPSY Glam Bag, first of all, obviously I have a channel, I have sisters and mamas and all that kind of stuff, so I can pass things forward and pay things forward, but I don't mind getting things that I'm not going to use, especially in a $13 bag. It doesn't bother me. The things I know I'm going to use, I love getting the travel minis and stuff like that so that I can travel with them because we go to see our son quite frequently. But I can also give back, so I like having them even if it's not things I'm going to use. But I do like that you got a brush with the little palette. And thus far I'm looking a little bit makeup heavy, so Next is another makeup product. It is the Trust Fund Beauty Eyebrow Gel in the shade, I have no idea. Maybe it's clear. But there is the packaging. And I feel like you cannot have too many brow gels, so I like that. I'm not going to open it up just because I have a lot opened, and I would assume they would tell you the shade. Le Brow Eyebrow Gel. Yeah, I don't know. I'll update y'all if I find out. So another makeup product. Next up is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer, cooling and silicone free. I actually had a full size of this and I really, really enjoyed it. So I like this packaging too. And then last but not least in my bag is another makeup product. Very strange, IPSY, very strange. This is the YC Collection highlighter in Cocoa Flakes. Okay, so it is a liquid highlighter. Also something that I'm probably not going to use, so truthfully, realistically, I'm only going to keep these two products and use these two products. But again, these things do not go to waste. But we got 5 makeup products, so for my makeup heavy lovers, you guys probably would have loved this version if you got this version. Comment down below if you got this version, and we are bag twins. Now with mine, I did get a few add-ons. I added the INH, or insert name here, the Flame Fighter Heat Primer, which I should have remembered and used it today when I straightened my hair. Also, I did straighten my hair and I did not realize it was this long. Kind of crazy, but I got this. I also got the First Aid Beauty Cleansing Oil and Makeup Remover. And these are like the 350 like minis or whatever. I also got the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer from Ciate London. And that's upside down. And if you know, you know. I love anything dewy and glowy and luminous. I also, because I love the goat milk cleanser from Kate Somerville, I decided to try this product. It's the Kate Somerville Sensitive Skin Dry Skin Saver Moisturizer for face, body, and lips. It was a full size for $12 freaking. So I am absolutely excited to try this. If you've tried this, please let me know. Then I got the Mo Beauty Divinely Defined Precision Brow Pencil and Brush in the shade Dark Brown. I go through brow products very, very quickly, so I try to get them as cheap as I can possibly get them because, you know, mama ain't got no brows. And then if you spent like $28 or $25, you got a free gift. So this is the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Under Eye and Smile Lines little mask. So I'm really excited to test these out. And hey, I'm all about a freebie. So let's go into the deets of my stuff. We had the YC Collection Authentic Glazed Liquid Highlighter in cocoa flakes, infused with hyaluronic acid for a boost of hydration and narcissus flower extract for a soothing effect. This glowy highlighter is perfect for accentuating your best features. Plus, the addition of squalane, helps keep your skin barrier strong and healthy. And then it says it's a full size for 16 bucks, so that's pretty cool. That's obviously the cost of your bag. Next up, we had the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. This pretty pink gel primer is totally going to be the best part of your get ready routine, thanks to its instant cooling effect. Plus, the silicone and oil-free formula help to minimize the look of pores and even out skin texture so your skin feels prepped and ready for whatever. This is a deluxe sample. And the full size of it would be $20. Next up, the Trust Fund Beauty Le Brow Eyebrow Gel in Clear. Unleash your inner brow boss with this magic little tube. The lightweight, fragrance-free eyebrow gel is the perfect tool to help you tame your wild brows without sacrificing that soft, natural look. It is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $24. The Toy Factory Blending Brush. Looking for the perfect brush to blend your favorite eyeshadows to perfection? This one gets the job done fast, leaving you with pro-level eye looks to stand out wherever the day or night takes you. And of course, it's a full-size brush. It was $16. And then last up, I got the Seraphine Botanicals Amla Nude Silky Nude Eyeshadow Palette in Dawn Light. 2 words, Velvety Dream. This eyeshadow palette showcases 4 nude shades, 2 shimmer and 2 matte that blend like silk. Crafted without any talc, this fallout-free, long-wearing formula is perfect for creating a subtle and flattering look no matter what your plans are. It is a full-size little quad for $34. Okay, anyways, I think overall, fabulous bag. I like all the products. They're not necessarily things that I'm going to get a lot of use out of, and that's totally fine. I feel like if you were a makeup heavy fan though, you would have loved this bag. Now I'm hoping, since mine had basically no skincare in it, that my mother-in-law's not disappointed and that she actually gets makeup in hers. So let's open up her bag. First up, I believe it's the same palette. Yes, we have the Seraphine Botanicals Amla Nude Silky Nude Eyeshadow Palette. Next up, she has the I&H Flame Fighter Heat Primer Spray. Next, I think she has a brush. Oh, she's lucky. She got a Wing Me brush. I don't know which one. Wing Me 07. I'm going to make sure that I don't touch it because it's not mine. That is what it looks like. These are so beautiful. The one that I got last month is fantastic quality, so I think she's gonna love that. And again, I do like that they gave you a brush with this. So far 2 makeup products in her bag. Next is I have no idea because everything is covered on it. That doesn't really make any sense. Well, here's the product. You really can't see what it is. And then there are directions that does say to put on your lips. So it's a lip scrub, but I don't know from where, but hopefully it's in the card. And then her last item feels like a makeup product. And she also got the YC Collection highlighter in Cocoa Flakes. And I'm wondering like if this kind of sets all the way down, which it should. It might be a beautiful little companion to this palette. So she got the palette, the highlighter, the brush, the lip scrub, and the heat spray. So I actually think she would like this. I kind of like her bag better, if I'm being honest. Mine wasn't bad, not complaining, but I think she'll like her bag. Let me know whose bag is the best in your opinion. And here's all of her information. The Wing Me Cosmetics 07 Fluffy Blending Brush. Brush stash need a refresh? This one has soft, fluffy brush head, which is perfect for gently applying color to your lids or blending a transition color into the crease. It is a full size for $14. The YC collection was $16. The Give Them La La Beauty Sugar Lips Exfoliating Lip Scrub. This lip scrub is a must-have for achieving a smooth, silky pout. With gentle exfoliating sugar crystals and nourishing ingredients, it helps to buff away dry skin and leave your lips feeling soft and supple. Plus, the sugary apple scent will satisfy any sweet tooth. That sounds great. I love lip scrubs, and that is $22. The INH Hair Flame Fighter Heat Primer. Ready to turn up the heat on your styling game? This heat protectant has got your back and your hair. This powerhouse product helps shield your strands from thermal damage so you can curl, straighten, and blow dry without worry. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size of that would be $18. And then, of course, the Seraphine Botanicals for $34. I would not pay $34 for that. I'm just saying. Let me stick all of her stuff back in her bag and put all of her stuff away. I am overall thrilled. I'm still waiting for a BOXYCHARM. It actually got lost in transit and they had to reissue it, so I don't even think I'm getting the same products. So that, you know, it's kind of a bummer, but at the same time, I didn't like our selections this month with BOXYCHARM. What did y'all think? But what did you guys think about Choice? What did you guys think about your BOXYCHARM or your IPSY bag? Are either of us bag twins? Comment down below. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.